Okay guys, this is some really random footage. We are actually leaving in a while and we decided to try this bakery. I think it's called Maida, Panificio Maida, which is pretty popular in Noto, and we want to do like a crash course on Sicilian style pizza, which is this is sfincione, which is basically a very thick crust. You can see it's sort of like focaccia, which we have right here. Focaccia is a pizza dough, really thick, and on top they lay maybe some form of like Sicilian based produce, and this is the thin flat base, sort of like a lasagna in looks, and this is called the scaccia. Very thin dough with ingredients within. So let us quickly start with this and just look at how puffy it looks, like really nice. Airy bread, a little bit of chew. The ingredients up top are what makes the difference. Refreshing due to the crunch from the zucchini. Cheesy flavor, savory, maybe some onions. I'm not sure if it is sweetness of onions, but it's actually pretty delicious. This is different from the pizza al taglio, which is the Roman type, because that has a more crusty base. This is as crusty. I'm not sure if it's because it's been left out for a while and we didn't reheat it. Anyway, let's try the scaccia. I believe the inside is cheese and I think tomatoes. Oh. Immediately you taste the tomato, the tang, the sweetness, very natural, and the cheese is not too strong, so it sort of plays harmoniously with the tomato. And the bread, it's really like a flat bread. It doesn't really have that chewy texture, it's just there to sort of sandwich the ingredients together. This is good because of the tomato, and the cheese is not too strong, so it allows the tomato to shine. Very simple pastry, or rather bread, but very delicious. Wow. Okay, let's try the focaccia now. Just look at this beautiful tomatoes. Wow, they are so juicy looking, and I think it's very simple, just a baked fluffy pizza dough together with fresh tomatoes and some olive oil. Beautiful tang from the tomato, sweetness. It's basically a play of fresh ingredients. Dough is chewy, not that much of a fragrance, I think because it's cold. Let me try that crust here. Now you get that fragrance. I'll call it a flower fragrance and the big fragrance. Pretty good though. It even has that toastiness, I gotta say. Despite being cold, very good. This is again a sort of like a gem in Noto. I'm glad we tried this place out because it's quite popular, and because our time in Noto is so short, I'm sorry we didn't eat it there. I think this is a great spot. If you're in Noto, you try out Cafe Sicilia, try out Casa Marta, get this as well. I think if they reheat it, it's gonna be crazy good. And I'm not gonna plate this, but I'm gonna very quickly tell you that it's probably around the half a plate range. That's how good it is. Cold, main plate, fresh ingredients, nice fragrant dough, nice texture, balancing flavors. Yeah, so we're gonna catch a train now. Goodbye for this episode now. By the way guys, in case you're wondering, this is how we were filming it. Look right outside, that's how hot it is right now. The sun will kill you. We have a lemon tree, beautiful. This is our shared balcony, and we are literally just sitting along this small little shadow area. Yeah, and that's a pizza Quet is eating right now. Yep, so this is how it looks like. Bye.